right, so even with a really great alkaline tile cleaner, you can still run into some difficult situations. So what we're going to use tonight is called Grout Shock by Bonnet Pro. And what this is a really strong acidic product. So we're going to spray it down, we're going to scrub it, we're going to rinse it, and we're going to dry it for you and show you the results. And they're going to be quite dramatic. So let's get started. Now this is a pH of about 1. So it's a very strong product, so you want to keep it off of metal and you want to keep it off of soft stones like marble and different types of softer materials. So we're gonna put a coat on this. This typically is going to work pretty quickly, but we want to rinse and neutralize this after we scrub it, and it'll give us the result that we're looking for. The reason we don't often use this first is because it is more aggressive. There's a little bit more risk with using a product like this, so we want to use it as we need to, because often something like rocket blast is going to give us the results that we want, and we don't have to deal with a more aggressive chemical like this. Okay, so we let this dwell. I mix this at 16 ounces per gallon. You can go 10 to 20 on most jobs with Grout Shock. I ended up doing this by hand. Didn't take real long. I like this brush. The stiffer the brush, the easier it's going to be. It's going to be very helpful. So what I'm going to do now is rinse it, and then we'll show you what it looks like after it's rinsed. So what I'm seeing now is this grout is much more even than it was with the alkaline cleaner. This will make a big improvement on the overall finished work. I'll finish this up and show you what it looks like. Now, even though I just cleaned this last night, doing it again with the acid, we got this much more dirt off of this floor. So I'm pretty surprised at how dirty this is. I'm going to show you what the dried floor looks like in just a couple of minutes. Okay, so we got this floor done. It's probably 90% dry, and you can see just how much more even the grout lines are using Grout Shock. So the strong acid can be really helpful in some places, and this is definitely one of those places. Now, I hand brush this. If I had a truck mount and spinner tool, I think we would have got a little bit better result. We certainly would have got it faster, but this turned out really nice. I'm pleased with it now. So tomorrow morning I'll come back and I'll take another picture when I know it's completely dry, but much more even. I think the customer is going to be pleased. This was a very difficult job to get clean. This was almost more of a restoration cleaning than just your typical cleaning, because the rocket blast works very nice on your regular jobs, but this was a restoration type cleaning, so it needed the 1-2 punch. It needed an alkaline, and then it needed the acid afterwards to bite into the grout deeper and get some of these more difficult soil loads out and to release. So hope you like it. Go to bonnetpro.com for more information, or join us at Encapsulation World on Facebook. Thank you. Bye-bye.